exasperated.
I'm not exasperated. What were you saying?
I said that door doesn't really lock.
Here, show me. Come on, you want to get on video? She's telling me
Being on video.
this door's not locking.
Well, this little latch isn't. Oh, it did. I guess it is locked.
Yeah, but remember this latch is not going into the hole all the way. It's only going up like that, so it's really not working. It's got to be all the way that far.
Right.
See?
Right.
And so, remember I was telling you, see, it's only going up to there.
Yeah, what's the matter?
Well, it's hitting the back side of the wood there.
Oh.
So that's one of the things I'm going to have to fix. You're going to have to put that on my honey-do list.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
See? If you've been watching my videos, you've seen that before. See, the latch needs to go all the way in there. The bolt for the deadbolt. That has to come all the way out so that you can't push it in. There's a definite little click. Hear it? Right there. Then you can't push it in. If I do this and you don't hear the click, it's not protecting you, is it? Your deadbolt is not doing anything unless that bolt is going all the way in there, letting this click. So that's something I'm going to have to do later. I'm going to undo this and I'm going to drill that out. I can take a paddle bit and drill in there, or take a chisel and chisel that out, okay?
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Will you get me one of those light bulbs?
What?
Will you grab one of those long?
Oh, we don't have any.
Take one of those out.
Oh, and do what?
Give it to me.
Oh, give it to you so you can go get some new ones? Well, okay, but I'm going to have to get some other ones. I'm going to have to get some more, because I think there's some other ones that might be burned out too. So I'll have to,
Well,
I don't want to, oh, well, I guess I can just give you one, huh?
just give me one.
Okay.
One of the burned out ones.
Well, no, whichever one I give you, you have to make sure the new ones you get are cool white. You don't want to get a warm white. Okay. All right, I'll get it for you. Okay, but before I do that, I've got some more. I told the painters I'd take off some of the big cover plates. Look at these big light lenses up here. These are different. I had no idea how to get those, and I only had my little ladder. In fact, I don't think I can reach. Oh, I can touch it, and it's plastic. I'm not quite sure how to get those down. I'm gonna have to get a taller ladder and look up in there. I don't think there's any screws on it. It might be something where I have to slide one side over. Jeez, I've never seen this kind before. I've been around for a while. I've been around the block a few times. If you want to watch that, keep watching this video. See if in fact there's a way that I can get those down. I'll get up there on a high ladder and be right back.